discuss word problem related to arithmetic progression. We have discussed one, let's repeat one more. John started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. So first information, there is a one character John and annual salary is rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Very important information. Each year he is getting increment of rupees 200. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Okay, so this doesn't look like that this is the sum of AP. We are discussing in this chapter, so it is evident that this is the sum of AP. So how to think? There is no AP given directly. Indications are given if you understand properly. So first step we need to do is form the AP. Okay, so let's start. It is given that annual salary in 1995 is rupees 5,000. So starting point is what? 5,000. Then increment. Let's talk about next year, which is 1996. So what will be his salary? 5,000 plus increment. So what is the increment? Rupees 200. So 5,200 will be salary in year 1996. Let's talk about 1997. So now in 1996 salary is 5,200. Increment, what is that? 200. So another 200 will be added. So that will be 5,400. Let's write it. So year 1995 salary is rupees 5,000. In 1996 he is going to get rupees 5,000 plus rupees 200 increment. So what is the total he is going to get? 5,200. Simple. Let's talk about 1997. So same as the previous, first of all rupees 5,200 plus increment, that is rupees 200. So that is rupees 5,400. So I think you are able to find the pattern here. This is indirectly our AP. 5,000, 5,200, then 5,400. Can you guess the salary in 1998? Okay. Yes, it is rupees 5,600. Add 200 over here and you get the salary for the next year. Simple. So let's write in the form of AP. So we can find the A, D, and what about the 7,000? Let's see. That also we can calculate. So 5,000 first of all. Okay. Then 5,200. Then 5,400. And dash dash dash. Okay, we want to find in which year his income is 7,000. Okay, we'll find that as well. Let's first of all find about the A. What is the value of A? Starting point, which is 5,000. What is the value of D? Increment. How much increment he is getting? Rupees 200 each year. So that is the value of D. 200. And okay, 7,000. So we want to find in which year he is going to get rupees 7,000 as the salary. So is it AN? Is it N? What? Think about it. This is the formula we are going to use. Obviously, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We have value of A, value of D, and we have AN or N. Here we are confused. Okay, so let's think about it. 7,000, it is in the category of term or it is in the category of number of term. Think about that first. So you can see that 7,000 is the salary and 5,000 is also salary. So it is in the term. 7,000 we will classify as term, not as number of term. So 7,000 will be AN, term, not number of term. So I can write AN is equal to 7,000. AN is equal to 7,000. And what do I want to find? I want to find the value of N. In which year he is going to get rupees 7,000 as salary. So let's apply the formula, which is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, so value of AN, which is 7,000, n, value of a, which is 5000, value of n, we want to find it, so we don't know, n minus 1, value of d, which is 200. So I'm going to shift this 5000 over here. It will become negative. So 7000 minus 5000 is equal to, let's multiply this 200 with each term one by one. N into 200, that will give you 200n minus 200. So let's shift 200 over here. It will be 2000 plus 200 is equal to 200n. So 2000 and 200, that will be 2200 is equal to 200n as it is. Let's shift this 200 into denominator. So 2200, and in denominator 200 is equal to n. 0 0 0 0, 2 ones are and 11s are. So n is equal to 11. After 11 years, his salary will be 7000 per year. Let's recall the steps. So first of all, read your questions properly, try to understand it, then form the AP. Most important step, AP is not given, conditions are given, value of A is given, D is given. Indirectly, you need to identify which is A, which is D, then form the AP. Then you need to identify what do you want to find, value of n or value of an. Then use the formula, substitute the values, get the answer. So this is how we solve sums related to what problems related to finding the term.